Exercise 10. Talking to a landlady. Mrs. Tiger's new lodger is asking what he is allowed to do. Listen to the conversation and make a cross if it is not allowed and fill in the table. Good afternoon. I'm Sam. I phoned yesterday about the room. Is it still available?
Yes, come in, please.
The room is very nice and big. Do you mind if I put some posters on the walls?
No, I don't mind, but don't use sellotape to stick them up. It brings off the paint when you remove it.
What about smoking? Is it all right if my friends and I smoke?
No, I'm afraid I don't allow smoking anywhere in the house.
I see. Can I use the kitchen if I want to cook something?
Yes, but only before 7 o'clock in the evenings, not after 7 o'clock.
I'm very fond of animals, and I'm thinking of getting a dog.
Under no circumstances do I want any pets here. I don't like animals.
Well, you said I could use your television in the evenings, is that right?
Yes, on condition that you don't have it on after midnight. We don't want to disturb the neighbors.
Can I have my friend around in the evenings?
Yes, that's okay, but we don't want any big noisy parties, though, so only 2 or 3 friends at the same time, please.
Can I have a bath at any time?
Yes, except between 6 and 7 in the evening. I get home from work then, and I always like to have a shower before I have my evening meal.